Hi everybody, my name is Chef Sajad from Iran. I want to make it today high quality Iranian saffron. This is the best Iranian saffron. It is very easy, you can use a mortar stone, chuck it inside all of them saffron. Now doing the start, scratch inside the mortar stone like that. Iranian saffron, you can use it for rice, for chicken kebab, ice cream. I teach to everybody everything. Maybe if you don't have a mortar stone to home, you can use the plastic bag like that. Very easy. This is the here, just ice, little bit like powder inside the ice. The saffron, leave it like that. Now empty the glass like that. Check a little bit saffron powder inside. Use a little bit hot water. Look at for next video. I want to show to everybody make it nice chicken saffron Persian kebab. Thank you everybody for looking my video. See you next time.